Good morning, seawolves. My name is Sajida and this is
Tegan. Today we're here to talk to you about the pros and cons of traveling.
Most people only look on the bright side of going on vacation, but there are some cons to it as well. Let's get into it.
First, let's talk about the pros.
One pro of traveling is when you travel, you make many lasting memories and have memorable experiences. This is one of the top reasons why traveling is important. When you travel, it gives you the opportunity to create memories that will last a lifetime. From the new foods you will eat, to the people you will meet, to the places you will visit, every experience will be unique and special.
Another pro about traveling is that traveling can reduce stress and make you feel calm. It may not come as a surprise, but one of the many benefits of traveling is reduction in stress. Travel has been scientifically proven to increase happiness, decrease depression, and help us relax completely.
This may not apply to you, but some people have phobias of planes. But according to the NBC, they say the rate of accidents involving injury or death to a passenger or substantial damage to a plane has also declined. Planes have become much more reliable in the last couple decades. You have no need to worry. In other words, the data shows flying has rarely been safer.
Now that we've gone over some good factors about traveling, let's get into some of the cons about having to travel.
Now, one obvious disadvantage is jet lag. We all dread it. A summarization of the article Traveler's Health by CDC says, jet lag is caused by a mismatch between at least 3 different time zones, but can affect anyone who travels across multiple time zones. But when you get to the hotel, it makes it all worth it.
But one of the most dreadful and stressful part of it all is planning. The text Happy Days Traveling says some people even love buying tickets, packing, and planning. However, many people also agree that it's a pain to plan a vacation. The most obvious downside to planning is the unpredictability. You never know if the flight will be canceled or delayed, and if you will have to replan.
Like Tegan said, sometimes your flight can have a layover. You can't blame the pilot because air traffic is very much real. You can check if you have a layover at the FAA or Federal Aviation Administration, or just check your flight. Some layovers can be as long as 30 minutes to 10 whole days, says Condé Nast Traveler.
These are some pros and cons about traveling. Thanks for listening. That's it on the pros and cons of traveling.
Once again, I'm Sajida Maleen.
And I'm Tegan Moran.
Until next time.